Homemade lemonade is the perfect refreshing drink for an afternoon tea party and a great alternative to making a pot of tea. This recipe is really simple. All you need is fresh lemons, about 6 or 8 depending on their size, 6 to 8 ice cubes, about 3/4 of a pint of water and about the same amount of sugar. With the lemons you just need to take off the tops, like that, at each end, and then cut roughly into pieces. Here's the rest of them. So let's put all of the lemons into the liquidizer. Add the sugar. And the ice. And the water. Then pop the lid on and give it a whiz. It really is as simple as that. And then I'm just going to add a little bit more ice and a lovely sprig of fresh mint.